Mommy, look, Funny Bunny Buns.
Wow, they're so cute.
Can we make some?
Yes, today we will bake Funny Bunny Buns together.
Yay! Hi everyone.
Welcome back to our kitchen.
Easter is coming soon.
And do you know who comes on Easter?
Easter Bunny! Hop, 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 hop.
Yes, Easter Bunny. Maybe the Easter Bunny visit our home?
Maybe.
So, today we will bake cute bunny buns.
For the Easter bunnies.
And for our family.
Many bunny buns.
And we will make a special bunny for Emily.
Yes, one bunny for Emily.
First, let's see what ingredients we need. Flour, butter, milk, egg, sugar, yeast, and pinch of salt.
And strawberry.
Yes, we will make strawberry filling.
And chocolate.
Yes, some bunny buns will have chocolate.
Chocolate bunny, chocolate bunny, chocolate bunny.
Now, let's start making the dough.
Yes, bunny dough.
First, we activate the yeast. We need warm milk,
Oh, whoopsie, mommy.
now we add 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Sugar helps the yeast glow.
We add the yeast.
The yeast will wake up.
Now we mix it.
Let's mix it together.
Now we put it in a warm place.
And we wait a little.
Soon we should see foam on top.
Like a little hat.
Yes, yeast hat. Look, the yeast is ready.
Whoa, it's worked.
Now we add other ingredients. One egg.
And we add the egg.
Okay. Now sugar.
Now sugar. And stove butter.
Butter makes the bun soft. Mix. And now we add the flour.
Let's mix the dough. Mix it, but this is really good. Mommy, the dough is on my hands.
That means you are a real baker.
I am Bunny Baker.
The yeast will make the dough bigger.
Like magic.
Yes, baking magic.
Magic bunny buns.
Now the dough is ready.
Make bunny buns. It looks like marshmallow. It looks like this one looks like a marshmallow. This looks like a marshmallow as well. Yep. This looks like a marshmallow as well. This
Can I have some chocolate, please?
yes.
2 pieces, please. Thank you.
Maybe Daddy will eat Big Bunny.
This is tail.
I moiamo tails.
Yes. Bunny buns with muscles.
Not with muscles? What's that? Wow!
They look beautiful.
So many bunnies. Jump, 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 jump. This one for Daddy. This one for Emily. This one for Bobby. This one is for Easter Bunny. Look, chocolate inside. Look, strawberry inside.
Yummy.
Very soft.
Perfect bunny buns. Maybe should leave 1 bunny buns for Easter bunny?
Yes, and 1 bunny for Emily.
Do you think the Easter bunny will come?
Maybe. Oh, okay. No. No. Okay. Can I have this, please? Nom, nom, nom. Nom, 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 nom.
See you in our next cooking video.